What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Last minute. Wasn't expecting to race this weekend. I didn't really want to go get super muddy, but my buddy Brandon, I think he's been on the, he has been on the channel here before. He invited me out to his house to load up with him, stay the night at his place, then go hit the P27 race tomorrow. So last minute here. Couple updates for you guys though. We actually just cleaned out the entire freaking shop. Still a long way to go, but damn, what a difference. So we have all the room in the world now to work on the quad. Definitely liking this. You know, we spent a good 3 days on it throughout, I don't know, probably 25 trash bags and reorganized, dusted, swept, the whole nine. So everything in here, for the most part, is pretty much organized and mint, and everything's in a place where at least we know. Still plenty more to go through and whatnot, but yeah, having an area where I could be inside and all the fluids, everything on the shelf, just an organized garage is awesome. So I'm glad to have that for the business side of things and the race side of things. So yeah, I'm super excited, and I'm excited to jump into a series that I've never done before for tomorrow. I'm just really getting tired of the same old coal races, and you know, the weather has not cooperated. But up in New York, they did not get any rain just a little bit earlier in the week, so it's going to be dry, and the rain avoided them on Friday and today. So it's a monsoon here, so yeah, basically was planning on going to the D6, but I was like, you know what? I told myself this year I want to hop around, try different things, ride better tracks, just actually go out, travel, and do more things. So I appreciate you, Brandon, for giving me the opportunity to load up with you. And yeah, so we're doing some last minute bike prep here, which is freaking awesome because now I have more than enough room to do everything. Still, like I said, a long way to go. There's still a lot of stuff that needs to go, get reorganized and whatnot. But for the most part, you know, obviously sharing the garage with my parents' stuff, this is not bad. So yeah, just going over the machine. Obviously the last race you guys saw the FMF falling out. Still don't have my HMF. That's probably what I'm going to switch to. Didn't order it yet. But we're going to make this work. We've been riding on it, and so far so good. Knock on wood. Yeah, so we're just going to do some bike prep. We're going to grab everything together in the last couple of hours here, spending Mother's Day with my mom, loading up in the van, and then, yeah, so we're gathering some stuff, going over the quad real quick, driving it up to Brandon's tonight, loading up with him, spending the night there, and we'll see you guys at the track tomorrow. We are all race prepped up. Did a million different things. Hopefully no issues this time. Adjusted the suspension and all that quite a bit. Gonna be a fast day. Should be a fun day. Quick hour race, so should be pretty fun. Gathering the last minute things for the gear bag. Gonna pull all the auto stuff out of the van. Load it in here. And then, yeah, load up and head over to Brandon's. So we'll catch you guys there. Update for you guys. Little sneak peek of the van, how it's been coming along. I won't spoil it too much, but we've been doing some things. Well, all loaded up. Change of plans. We will be going to Brandon's in the morning. So we're done here. We'll go get fuel in the morning, fuel up the van, head to his house, load up with him. Leaving here at 3:30, so get up to his house by 5. So early morning ahead of us, but see you guys tomorrow morning. Well, bright and early. I ended up not sleeping at all. I was pretty much better off. 3 in the morning, we are headed out to Brandon's. So we will see you when we get there. Quick check, you might as well sponsor me. Just got raped at the pumps for the gas and the diesel. Just got money out of the ATM. And now we are officially New York bound. Let's go. Well, we're about a minute from Brandon's. So, Yeah, we're gonna unload, load up into his rig, and then head to the track. Team no sleep. See how it works out. Loaded up, fueling up.
There's a lot of quads here. I'm really surprised.
Where are you going? You go further in, you're gonna be able to have no place to park.
We are out here at the P27, just signed up. What's this place called?
What's this, Echo Valley?
Echo Valley. So, pulled an all-nighter. Starting to catch up to me, but at least we got the morning race, so maybe I'll sleep on the way home. Back from sign up, unloaded. And we got about 30 minutes to be on the line, so we're just woofing down food, slapping our gear on, and hope for the best. Officially made it back. Well, what's going on, guys? I never officially got a full race recap here. Basically, went out there, we made a completely blind suspension adjustment in the garage. Turns out it actually worked out pretty well. Bike felt great all day. About half, maybe a quarter of the race in, halfway in, my brakes faded completely. I guess I boiled them over, so we have to evaluate that. Yeah, so that sucked. I had just about no brakes, the whole rest of the race there. And then with that being an issue, I was coming into the grass track and near the end of the race and toppled over, got tangled up with a lap rider, flipped over pretty good. Yep, and throttle got stuck completely forward in the forward position. I couldn't even hit it, so I ran back to the trailer real quick. I straightened it out super quick, but it ended up making me lose a minute. I lost the podium position and salvaged a 4th overall to end it out. So could have been worse, could have been better, but hopefully we can get the bike straightened out and everything like that. And then, hopefully we have some luck at the next one. As always, shout out FaZe Moto, B&R Motorsports, Gold Speed Wheels, GBC Tires, and everyone else on the program that helps me out. And hopefully we can retaliate at the next one. But 4th overall, our best finish yet this year, and pretty much the best overall we've had. So it was kind of nice. Big confidence boost. Bike's feeling a little bit better. So we'll just keep the ball rolling and hopefully hit that podium on the next one. So everyone, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm going to basically be uploading everything at this point onto my channel that I do. So hope you guys enjoy. Peace.